So first floor update. So first fix electrics all finished. First fix plumbing will also be finished today. I've got a bit more plasterboarding to do. You see here, this will all be filled and then painted. So coming in here, so again we can see first fix electrics done. The first fix plumbing has started and the shower trays will also go down. Plasterboarding in here, first fix electrics. See the radiator, also pipes gone in. And also plastering will be starting here next week. First fix electrics done, plumbing pipes done, so we can start plastering next week. So looking good.